So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Matt from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem that couldn't start Riot Games Valorant create process started returned 5 or these kinds of error. So I will show you how you can solve this problem. So when I mainly try to open my Valorant or in my PC, this error is showing up and like nothing works. So I will show you that how we can fix this issue. So I will walk you through a couple of steps on how you can solve it. So I will highly suggest you to follow the entire video and try each of the steps and let me know which one worked for you. So here you can see the problem that couldn't start Valorant. So we will try to fix it, all right? So let's close it for now. So firstly, what we need to do is just go to your task manager and open task manager. And in your task manager, expand it and you mainly need to go to your process tab, and in your process tab you mainly need to end task of Valorant, Riot or Vanguard, everything related to these kinds of like software, all right? So in the search option at the top, search for Riot. So here you can see Riot client. So just right click on it and then click on end task, and here you can also see the Vanguard. So we mainly need to like end task Vanguard, Riot and Valorant and every task related to it. So let's again search and confirm, like let's search for Valorant. So you can see that nothing is showing up. So now let's again search for Riot. You can see that all the processes have been ended, and same for the Vanguard. All right. And then you mainly need to go to the details tab and do the same in the details tab. So like let's search again for Riot or Vanguard. So or let's try to search for Valorant. So here you can see this was the first step to end task in process and details tab in your task manager. Okay, now this is the step to search for Valorant and then click on open file location. So just right click on it, click on properties, and in your properties go to compatibility tab, and here you may need to tick two boxes. One is disable full screen optimization and the second one is run this program as an administrator. So just click these two options and click on apply and hit OK. All right, now we also need to do this for another like exe file which was mainly causing the error. So go to this PC, go to C drive or where your Riot and Valorant is installed. So in my case it is C. Then let's go to Riot Games, and in your Riot Games go to your Valorant folder and then click on live, and here click on shooter games, and then in your shooter game just click on binary Win64, open it. So just search for this one, Valorant Win64 shipping. So this is the app that was causing the problem. So just click on compatibility here in under properties and then tick these two boxes, disable like full screen optimization and run as administrator, hit apply and OK. Let's close it now. So after doing this, then make sure to restart your computer. So let's now try to open our Valorant again. So here you can see that my problem isn't still fixed. It is still showing the same error. So if this fixed your problem, then that's great. And if it didn't, then follow the next step. All right. So for the next step, the ideal solution would be to uninstall your Valorant application and then reinstall it again. But many of you don't want to do that because the software is very large and you want to get back to your game as soon as possible. So I will show you the solution that worked for me, that I did without re-downloading the Valorant entirely. So for that we will mainly uninstall the Valorant, but first we will copy the Valorant folder. So let's go to where our Valorant is installed. In my case, it is C. So after going to C, then we will go to Riot Games. So just go to Riot Games, and then here you can see the Valorant folder. So it is around 27 to 28 GB. So we will copy this folder. All right. So I will suggest you to copy it in an SSD so that the like copy time is really fast, or otherwise it might take a lot of time. So in my case, it took around 2 to 3 minutes. It would obviously depend on your like disk speed. So after copying the entire Valorant folder, then you mainly need to install Valorant and Riot from your device, and then you mainly need to reinstall it. So let's install both the Riot games and Valorant. So let's search for add or remove program, and then let's open it. And now we will uninstall both Valorant and Riot from our computer. To install Valorant, first go to your system tray and then exit your Vanguard and Riot client. So just right click on it and click on exit. Do this for both Vanguard and Riot client, and then go back to add or remove, and then here install the Valorant from your device. So here you can see it is saying installing. So this game has been successfully installed, and you need to do the same for the Riot client. So let's install the Riot client as well. So now we will now download the Valorant again. So let's go to our browser and search for download Valorant. But this time, as we have copied the file before, we don't need to download the entire Valorant. We mainly need to download the Riot client, and like it would take around 300 to 400 MBs. So depending on your internet, it shouldn't take long. So I will show you that how you can do that. So just click on install, and also make sure not to change the install path. Make sure to like keep it same, and then click on install. So we have installed the Riot games, and now click on install. Do not change the default installation path, because we mainly need to keep the path same as before. All right. And then just click on install. All right. So once the download has started and for like 1 or 2 minutes, then you can pause it and check that if the Valorant folder is now created or not. So here you can see our Valorant folder is now created again. So now what we would do is we would pause the download, and then we would copy the Valorant file that we have like backed up earlier, and then we'd copy and paste it, or you can directly move it here. So here we are copying it. So it might take couple of minutes or like less than that, depending on your SSD speed, obviously. So we have copied it, the entire Valorant folder, and now we would like go back and click on resume. So now it is saying getting ready. So for the repairing, it might take couple of seconds. So just be patient. So it would now install the Vanguard. All right. So now our Valorant is installed. So it would now check for update if any update is available. All right. So now you mainly need to restart your computer. Like Valorant would say you to restart your computer. And now if we try to again open the Valorant, let's see that if it would work or not. So let me just log into my account. So if I now open the Valorant, so here you can see that our game is now loading properly, and just wait for a couple of seconds. So here you can see that we are now in our Valorant, and we can now play the game again. So that's it. This is how you can fix the problem that Valorant couldn't start error. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to give it a like, and also let me know in the comment section below, and let others know that which particular method worked for you. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from Tech Mash, and I'm signing out.